All right, so this one is to give you some support on E5, equations of parallel and perpendicular lines. All right, so we know that the equation of line Z can be written as y equals 7 over 2x plus 6. And line H goes through this point, -2, -3. And it's also parallel to G. What is the equation of line H? This is what we want. Well, if they're parallel, then that means they have the same slope. So since this slope is 7 over 2, this one also has a slope of 7 over 2. Okay, so we take it from there. Oh, y equals 7 over 2x plus b. Now we need b, which we don't have, but we have that it goes through this point. So this is x and that is y. So -3 equals 7 over 2 times -2 plus b. Of course, at this point, unless not, you're going to end up getting a fraction, so that's not cool. What's going on? Why are we making all this packing noise when I still have... Why are you making so much noise? I'm recording the video right now. Thank you. All right, so now we clean it up, I guess. This times this is -7. And since I want b, I need to add 7 to both sides. 4. All right, so the equation is going to be y equals 7 over 2x plus 4. It says to write the equation in slope-intercept form. Write the numbers in the equation as simplified proper fractions, improper fractions, or integers. Ooh. It might be able to work if you use decimals for this. So let me see if I can get you some tips and hints. So let's say, for example, we had y equals 7 over 2x plus b. And we knew that y was -3. And that x was -2. And now we got a triangle. So what do? That means that Desmos doesn't like the b, right? So we need to replace it with? Exactly. See? 4. Which is what we got, 4. Okay, we just have to make sure we put this in slope-intercept form. 7 over 2x. All right, let's once again, though, it's about reading and breaking down the information. So we know that line S has this equation. We know that line T, okay, is parallel to S, and it goes through this point. What is the equation of line T? So they want this one. All right, so the fact that they're parallel means that they have the same slope. So we know this slope is -7 over 10. Okay. And this is our x and that's our y. 5 equals -7, 10. Notice the parentheses for my -6. Okay, then I'm going to go to decimals. And this is me hoping it works because, you only learn how to do things by trying different ways to see which one works, which one is the least amount of steps, right? And then you get here, you're like, oh, it doesn't work, but you got to remember that just means that it only supports X and Y, so it doesn't like the B. It says negative 9.2. Then you do negative 9.2. Look, we can turn it into a fraction. Ugh. Negative 46 over 5. Are they doing this on purpose? All right. So according to decimals, it would be negative 710, negative 7 over 10x minus 46 over 5. All right, so this is from decimals. I'm going to do regular old-fashioned math and double check this, okay? Negative 7 over 10 times negative 6. Okay, 21 over 5. So then it's 5 minus 21 over 5. Now this one says 4/5. So it's minus 4/5. Sometimes good old-fashioned math. Watch me. Let's see. We're gonna find out if I'm right or wrong. Here we go. This is how we learn. Y equals negative 7 over 10. There. 7 over 10 x minus 4 over 5. I don't like this math writer thingy, math editor. My B is 4 over 5. I put a minus sign instead of a plus 4 over 5. Didn't I? Yes, I did. You see my minus sign right here? And it was supposed to be a plus. So the math is correct. I typed the final answer wrong. So let us be careful with that. Let's try the next one. Say no to mistakes. No, mistakes help us learn. So here we go. It says that line B is this equation. But for this one, you only have to go up to 50, correct? Yes or no? And then for line W, it includes this point, and it's perpendicular to line B. Why does the word perpendicular have to be such a long word? What is the equation of W? All right, so if this slope is 10 over 9, then the perpendicular slope is negative 9 over 10. We have y equals negative 9 over 10 x plus b. All right, here's when we use the point. Now, don't put them in the wrong place. The negative 3 is the x, and the 3 is the y. Okay. This decimal can be tricksy. We're just going to do it step by step. All right, so I'm going to type this at negative 9 over 10 times negative 3. All right, you see I get a 2.7, but it's got the fraction thing here, so is 27 over 10. So 3 equals 27 over 10 plus b. Now I need to subtract this. So it's going to be, guys, I'm still recording. 3 minus 27 over 10. It says 0.3, but I can turn it into a fraction, so it's 3 over 10. And this time I will type it correctly. All right, so my b is 3 over 10. So it's going to be y equals negative 9 over 10x plus 3 over 10. Okay, let's do this. Y equals negative 9 over 10x plus fraction key 3 over 10. Oh, here we go. Okay, so I hope this helps you when using decimals, because sometimes when you try to let it solve for you, it'll give you like some weird fraction. So just, get comfortable doing it step by step and you'll get the right answers.